Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA Tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw infinity from Fortnite. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. I'm gonna draw across a semicircle line for the top of his head, right there. And at the side, I'm gonna draw a semicircle line, turn it inwards and downwards with a curved line to that point, turn it downwards, diagonal turn upwards, and going back to this point at the side of his head, I'm gonna draw a line up, semicircle line similar to the one at the inner point, and turn it downwards. And at the outer corner, I'm gonna draw another circular shape right there, turn it inwards and down, outward with a semicircle line at that point and down. I'm gonna copy the same shape at this outer point on the right side, right there. And below that at the side, I'm gonna draw a line down and another curved line at this corner with a similar shape with the one on the left side, and a line down at the side as well. From this point, I'm going to make a turn downwards and downwards at this point as well. At the lower point right there, I'm going to draw a line across and back up at the outer point. A curved line at the corner, turn it upwards, and another curved line at the lower point right there. Turn it sideways to the left, and at that point I'm gonna draw a line up, sideways, downwards, and across to the side. At this corner, I'm gonna draw a curved line down, semicircle turn diagonally to the right and turn it up and trace the same outline to that upper point. I'm gonna add a triangular shape at this corner and another one at this point. A rectangular shape at this side and another one right there. Coming out at the side of that rectangular shape, I'm gonna draw a line up, turn it sideways, sharp turn back down and downwards. Triangular shape at the side right there, and I'm gonna trace the outline of that with a rectangular point at this corner and back down to the side. I'm gonna do the same thing at this point right here. And I'm gonna extend this curved line to the side right there. For this piece at the side of the neck, I'm gonna add a curved line up, turn it with a semicircle at the top. A curved line from the side here to this point in the middle, sharp turn back up to that point. And at this corner, copy the same line to the center point right there, sideways, and copy the same line back upwards. Below this piece, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards, turn it out at the lower point. Below this square shape, I'm gonna draw a curved line down as well and turn it out. Below the shoulder pad on the right, I'm gonna draw a curved line out, semicircle turn to the left and the side of his outfit, and another similar shape at the lower point right here, And at this inner corner, I'm gonna make a semicircular turn upwards. Below that, a curvy line coming down for the outer line and the inner line. Extend it with a curved line all the way to the wrist and some wavy line at the wrist right there. Curved line to the front of the fist, semicircular turn diagonally down and sideways. For the thumb, I'm going to draw a circular shape at this point, a line out diagonally, turn it downwards with a semicircular turn at the tip, back to the side of the thumb right there. A curved line at the top of the finger, and a turn at this point. Copy the same shape of the finger for the other fingers on the left side here, and a curved line at this side of the hand. For the patterns on the arms, I'm gonna draw some curved line at this point across. Below that, a curved line again, and leave a gap in the middle, and we're gonna add a circular shape in the middle right there. Trace the line of the circle at the top and the bottom point right here, and below that another curved line across and a circle on the left side right here. Similar shape as the one above, and at the lower part here I'm gonna draw a diagonal line out on both ending points to the side. From this point right here, I'm gonna turn it sideways and turn it back upwards along the inner line of the jacket all the way up to this point. I'm gonna trace the inner line of that section of jacket, and for this line I'm gonna extend it outwards. And turn it upwards at the ending point right there. And for the outer line, I'm gonna draw a similar line going out to that ending point. For the line of his leg at the side on the right, I'm gonna draw a line downwards at this point and turn it inwards towards the knee point. And I'm gonna copy the whole thing on the left side as well. In the middle of the leg, I'm gonna draw across a curved line right there and line down on both sides all the way to his knee. And from the side, I'm gonna flare it out slightly below the knee. For his boots, I'm gonna draw a line across below the knee right here, diagonal turn at the side downwards on both the left and right, and turn it downwards all the way to the ankle point. At the ankle point, I'm gonna flare it out right there and turn it back into the front of the boots right there. A curved line across at the bottom point, and I'm gonna trace the same outline at the side here, at the bottom, in the middle, and at the side on the right. And around the ankle point, I'm gonna draw across a semicircular line and some curved line across the front part of the shoes right there. And then I'm gonna add the patterns on his boots with a upside down V at this point, sideways inwards from the side, and turn downwards all the way to the ankle point. At the side on the right, I'm gonna draw a line out and a diagonal line halfway in between the boots right here, diagonally out. I'm gonna do the same thing on the left boots, but the one on the left would be behind the one on the right, like that. At the arm, I'm gonna add a diagonal curved line across from the front part right here, diagonally to the inner line right there. We're gonna do the same thing for the right arm right here. And for the details of the jacket at the bottom, I'm gonna draw a line down from this point, sideways, diagonally, back up, sharp turn back down, continue the line sideways to the back, and I'm gonna repeat a similar shape on the right side over here. And then for the details on his face, I'm gonna draw a circular shape in the middle of his face right here. And for the fragments surrounding that circle, we're gonna draw some random shapes. Some are rectangular, like that. Some are triangular shapes. And at the top of the head as well. In the middle of his neck here, I'm gonna draw a curved line across and another one below that. A diagonal line from the side right here, across a straight line, diagonally back down at the side. Below that, I'm gonna draw a stripe in the middle with an even line all the way to that point and sharp turn back up to the same point. At the sides, I'm gonna add the fragments similar to the one we have done on the head. that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time!